The Sinjuk Kinong Sinchar Shnong, Kabriu Hinyotrem, had met at an emergent meeting today, the 22nd of May 2023, to discuss on the issue of implementation of the roster system in the state of Meghalaya. While addressing the gathering, the General Secretary of the Sinjuk, R.L. Bla, said that the members are doubtful about the government's invitation to civil society organizations to a round of presentation on the roster system throughout the state, since a review committee headed by Cabinet Minister Dr. M. Ampri Lingdor is already in place. However, Bla informed that from the Sinjuk's end, a core committee would be constituted should a representation to the government is called for. At the same time, Bla had urged upon all students and young job aspirants to not just depend on the existing reservation policy, but to also exhibit the spirit of competition that would enable them to be at par with others from mainland India.
Marsinyo ke jingtip ba mola pau hila pathai kubo bat ngaliam film ru la keren gi la youtube ba kidon ke jingtmu ban khot ya ke sunjuk bat yiki rangba shnong habe dei bat kan ka issue padei ya kan ka rooster ti kat kum ke jing ya keren uong ba kala le sia ban long ha ka ar pun ru tere na ta kadau na kaliang jong sunjuk nok sun shas nong bri neutra ngile yalom kerki kat bangila menta gaski bat imat ngi don hi palat yaki sop sanot san pungot kirang ba snong boper na sor khap sor la poilut ne ban ya perkhat ya kini kham bat na kaliang ka jongi ngila form ko we ka core committee lada kawan ketiga jingkhat balai ngomong ta mar balai I hakilat pathai kubor ke jingkran jong chief minister bakin form no ya ketu ke review committee ti leksi laki form ya kata kinum khot shu ini kata koi henry kum kinong song ki badan ke jingkit khli ya lagari bat ke jat banre lada kawan ke jingkhat ni kamwan nakaliam jungi ke sunjuk bat kirang basnong ngin lek hiban ya kondo ya ko government halor kini ki issue henry kai garai ki bangishim menta kasni kolong ba khamtam ki bobo ningi ki badan bo sunjuk ngim dei ki batrai kam sarkar ngim ratip ya kita ki policy ya kita ki rooster ki jongki but ngim don he in black and white ya kita ki bami naga code kai di nakaliam chief minister ular hiru ba na khot yani kin a de ka PowerPoint presentation ban pen sngoto dei tat hadu kata kapor bangin sngoto bukumno ngin ya shakmat henry ya ka pamentahi ngim sim ya kono kara henry ni sim tang ban form kata ka core committee lada ki khot bat lakim khot ru bangin pen khre rupa yaladi mar ngim tip ya kata ka ngim yi ngim padi I hadu menta sngi kata ka PowerPoint presentation ke jongki ngim la pan comment sa e kalong ko bhan ni ba sniu ne te hadu ndapoi hangta ka ba ar pat hot the reservation policy kadon nadu basdam henry nakaliam jungi kasunjuk kena sinsar sinong beri neutra ki babon ni ki long kpa ki long kini ni bu ke jing kentu sekap beri neutra sabaro ki long kmi ki long kpa ki long ye hot ke reservation kadan henry hagaju ko porpa ni hab ban mi na ka shop mar ngisngau sarang kum gajat benreu lam pej hikini gi snap ka competition kam dei shu bat ki wei gajat benreu kala ka jingkiu jong ki khna puli ki jongi kala nang kiu ka scoring percentage kala nang kiu ka jing confirm ba ngim wat la ka don ka ni reservation hadu katno kisnam kadang don ngin sim mi kata ka bu ngin pendon kami ka nrei hakajo ko por ngi kentu ba ngi dei bandon kata ka mensiem ke ban yokon bangin pen paus hak percaya hi bad hagari India hi ba kum gajat benreu lengi long ke baret gajat benreu khasi knar ngi ke brih nyutrat nrei ngi don kita ki krau jubin ki bala ban yokon bad ki wei pat ki khna hapo mainland India